Hi, what's up guys? And today we're looking at something massive, literally. This is the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 MFP Lm36, a 36-inch large format printer and scanner combo that's built for serious work in compact spaces. Whether you're printing detailed CAD drawings, posters, architectural layouts, or signage, this machine is designed to deliver vivid results with precision and ease. The new flat body design makes it more space efficient and easier to use in tighter environments. And the full frontal operation is a game changer for accessibility. What really stands out is the redesigned 4.3-inch touchscreen interface. It's responsive, adjustable, and gives you real-time information on ink levels, media detection, and status prompts, everything you need right on a home screen. The print quality is impressive thanks to Canon's newly formulated magenta ink and precise color calibration, producing sharp, vibrant images that really pop. Whether you're working with glossy photo paper, metallic rag, or adhesive-backed media, this printer handles it all with professional-grade consistency. You're getting clean lines and smooth gradients across all kinds of paper types, which makes an excellent choice for both technical and creative professionals. Canon's dedication to print fidelity and media diversity gives this printer an edge, especially when you're producing work that demands color accuracy and visual impact. And for those who want more control and convenience, the Canon large format printer app lets you manage everything from your phone, how to videos, updates, print events. It's all there. The app experience is intuitive and perfect for first-time large format users or small teams managing multiple tasks. Canon has also packed in creative workflow software like Poster Artist, Direct Print Plus, and Free Layout Plus, giving users a ton of value straight out of the box. Poster Artist alone makes creating flyers, posters, and other marketing visuals simple and efficient, thanks to its web-based, template-driven interface. It's quick, smart, and saves time without sacrificing quality. With Energy Star certification and an EPEAT Gold rating, the TM-340 also makes a solid case for sustainability. Canon is replacing EPS with recyclable cardboard and packaging, which is a thoughtful touch that aligns with modern environmental standards. And it's not just greenwash labeling. The printer is truly efficient when it comes to energy consumption and smart ink usage with its sub-ink tank system, with a 1200 by 1200 DPI resolution built-in scanner, 36-inch media support, and up to 100 sheet capacity. It's clear that the Canon TM-340 MFP is a powerhouse built for performance, reliability, and ease of use. Weighing around 130 pounds, it's surprisingly manageable for what it offers. This is more than just a printer. It's a full-on creative and technical production tool. Whether you're a designer, an architect, a print shop owner, or a marketing team, the Canon TM-340 MFP delivers flexibility, control, and stunning output all in one sleek machine. Entry level? Maybe by name. But in real-world usage, this thing plays in the big leagues.